Good day, everyone. Welcome to the fifth topic of this course. This is the operational models and implementation using EA. Today, we are going to learn about the four operational models, which are the diversification, coordination, replication, and unification. We'll also learn the mixed operational models in the modern enterprises, the EA's role in enabling operational models, and the challenges in EA implementation. Today, we're going to distinguish among or differentiate these four operational models, analyze how EA supports these operational models, and evaluate the suitability of operational models in various organizational contexts. So, what is an operational model? Think about how business operates. Some companies have multiple branches that work independently, while others have a single system where everything is connected. The way a business structures its processes, shares data, and manages operations. Now, imagine you are running a fast food business. You need to decide, should each branch operate on its own with different rules? Should all branches share a central ordering system? Or should every branch follow strict guidelines but operate independently? So these are the things that you need to consider now if you are running a fast food business chain. So operating models or operational models define how an organization structure its operation to deliver value effectively. It outlines the necessary level of business process integration and standardization across the organization to support its strategic objective. So, diri na mosulod si EA, no? So, unsaon man pag-decide or how are you going to know kung unsa nga operational model ang appropriate para sa imo, ha? EA helps business decide the best operational model by making sure that technology, people, and processes work together efficiently. So, let's break down into simple terms. So, lang taon na to, unsa ang mga four different ways nga maka-operate si company. So, let's take a look at first diversification. So, si diversification, each unit, a branch, store, or business operates separately and make its own decisions. No sharing of systems or customer data. For example, if you're familiar with the Alphabet Incorporation, this is the parent company of Google. So, siya ang nagtag-iya kang Google, YouTube, Fitbit, and Waymo. But each business operates independently with its own IT system and management. So, though under lang sila sa isang umbrella, but they have the freedom to operate independently. And, of course, given na sila kaugalingon nilang IT system and management. The second one is coordination. Coordination, di ba si diversification, no sharing of data man. Kang coordination, each unit still runs independently but must share some data. Not all data but some data. Like customer records, accounts or inventory, and so on. Example of this one is Apple's ecosystem. So, sa Apple Store, we have this, sa Apple, we have diba na we have this iCloud account. So, Apple stores operate separately but share customer data across iCloud, Apple Care, and online orders to provide seamless services. So, kung na kay MacBook, na kay iPad, kung same lang ang iCloud account imong gigamit for those three. Therefore, accessible po to tanan or makita tanan nimong history, imong purchases, tanan activities nimo across the devices. No? Same lang yapon siya with Google. Nga na yung idea. The next one is siya si Alphabet. Replication. Simple ra kayo iyang concept because every branch or unit follows the same structure, same branding, same business process, but they don't share customer data in real time. So example for this are the kanang mga fast food chain or mga like here, Starbucks franchise. Every Starbucks follows the same menu, same customer service style and branding, but a purchase at one location doesn't automatically appear in another location system. So kung naay duha ka branch, for example, diri sa Butuan, kung naay Starbucks Ampayon o Starbucks sa SM, kung unsay mong i-order diri sa Ampayon, dili na siya mo appear real time didto sa Starbucks sa SM. Muna siya ang pasabot sa replication. Though same sila sa everything, structure, branding, business process, and so on, pero dili nila gina-share ilang customer data real time. Okay? Let's proceed with unification. All branches or departments use the same system, same rules, and share real-time data to make operations smooth and efficient. So, best example are e-commerce platforms like Amazon, Shopee, Lazada, TikTok Shop, and so on. When you order a product, Amazon's warehouse or the e-commerce platform na warehouse, shipping and customer service are all connected in one real-time system, ensuring fast and efficient information. So how does EA supports these operational models? For diversification, EA makes sure each business has its own IT system without interference. Or dili dapat siya ma-interfere or ma-interrupt. For coordination model, EA connects data so different departments or branches can share important information. Okay, just some information, no, not all. Mga important lang ang mga information. For the replication model, EA ensures all business units follow the same standards, making sure everything looks and works the same. But dili nila gina-share ilahang data real time. Munang sa replication. For unification model, EA centralizes everything. So, all units work as one big system. So, when we say centralized, accessible siya sa tanan, bisan pag asa ka nga branch na butang or naka-assign. Ma-access dapat nimo ang data or information nga imong need. Question: can a business apply all four operational models? Or must it choose just one? What do you think? Okay, a business does not have to choose just one operational model. It can apply multiple models across different parts of its operation. However, one model will typically dominate depending on the company's core strategy and structure. Another question is, how can a business use multiple operational models? Okay, let's take a look at this real-world example. For diversification for separate business units, example is the Amazon. While Amazon operates as a unification model as a whole, in its core e-commerce business with one integrated system, it allows diversification. In what way? For subsidiaries like Whole Foods or the grocery stores, Twitch or streaming, and AWS for cloud computing, each of these is running its operations separately. So therefore, bisan pag si Amazon is as a whole unification model siya. Inside kay naagihapoy diversification. So bantayan lang ninyo kung unsa ang highlight sa situation. Usa mo mag-identify kung unsa ang correct or unsa i-apply nila nga operational model. Another example for coordination for shared services, Apple stores and Apple Care operate independently but share customer data, creating coordination model for customer service and warranty management. For replication, franchising, or standardized expansion, every McDonald's follows replication, same menu, branding, and processes, but does not share daily operational data across stores. So, hindi nila gina-share ilahang mga information or ilahang mga data real time with each other sa other branches. Fourth one, for unification model for a fully integrated system, a Starbucks digital ecosystem, while Starbucks physical store follow replication, di ba kay replication man siya, same model, same structure, same branding, same pud ang ilahang how they cater their customer, how they treat their customer. Sa physical store, naa sila ginatawag na rewards program or an app and reward system nga gagamit og unification model, connecting mobile orders, customer loyalty, data, and payments across locations worldwide. So, na sila unified system or centralized system na naga-monitor sa ilahang orders, customer loyalty, data, and payments across locations worldwide. So, does a business have to pick just one model? The answer is no. A business can mix multiple models across different areas. However, one model will be the primary approach for its core business strategy. Think of it like this. A global company like Amazon may use unification, 'di ba? For e-commerce and diversification for subsidiaries and coordination for customer data. So, 3 ka model ang iyahang gi-integrate. Another example, a fast food franchise like McDonald's use replication for stores and coordination for suppliers. They share some of the data for their supplier but not all. A tech company like Apple may use unification for its software ecosystem and diversification for its various products online. Since si Apple naman siya unified nga system pod no, nga ecosystem, pero kada product or item nila nga ilang gina-produce is diversified na. Kay lahi-lahi naman to sila operations. So, does a business have to pick just one model? A business can apply more than one operational model based on its needs. So, they can apply 2 or more models accordingly kung unsay kinahanglan sa ilahang business operation. So, dili mali no kung magamit pa sila og more than one model. They can do that. Enterprise architecture helps manage these models so they work efficiently together. The key is alignment. Choosing the right model for each part of the business to optimize performance. So, dili magamit og ayaw paggamit og operational model nga dili siya appropriate paraan nga transaction. Kay imbis na ma-optimize ang performance, mas ma-delay na noon. So, another example, for Nike's IT strategy. Nike stores operate using a replication model since kada branch, same structure, same branding, because every store follows the same rules, but they do not share real-time customer data. However, Nike's online store operates a unification model. So, na sila murag e-commerce nga for Nike lang yun po, no? Meaning, every order, warehouse, and delivery is connected in one system. So, combination gihapon siya sa replication model and unification model. Let's now proceed to the challenges in EA implementation. First one is people resist change. Employees may not want to learn the new system since some of the people nowadays kay di sila ganahag change because sunahon na nila lisod, hassle, and the fear of having a kanabitang masayop. Number 2 is high cost. So, kung mag-upgrade kasi mong system, mugasto mangyug ka. Kung gusto mong gumanda, gumastos ka. Kung gusto mo nindot ang imong system, mugasto jud ka. Data integration issues. Companies with old system may find it hard to connect, no? Labi na sa migration, ka na gid ang makadugay. Security risk, sharing data across different departments can create security risk. So there will be prone to leakage. Or for implementing EA in business processes, first, find out what the business needs. Does it need independent branches, data sharing, or a fully unified system? Number 2, choose the right model. Based on its goal, the company picks diversification, coordination, replication, or unification. Number 3, build the right IT system. EA helps in choosing the right software, security measures, and data sharing tools. Fourth one is train employees. Muning naka-lisod no if gusto ka mag-upgrade, gusto ka mag-change, gusto ka mo adapt sa digital nga era, pero dili ka mo train og employee. Lisod pud kaayo na kung ingana no. Dapat kung na new system, introduce nimo sa ilaha slowly para dili sila mahadlok or dili sila makuan mga kanang sila pud mismo embrace nila ang change. Number 5 is monitor and improve. The company tracks performance and adjusts to make things more efficient. Of course, dili man gyud perfect no ang first time nga pag integrate sa everything. So, dapat be flexible as well. Kung na-improve ka na. So, dirita, who should design the enterprise architecture? Setting up EA requires teamwork between business and IT leaders. We have here the lead EA strategist or the CIO, the Chief Information Officer. The design IT frameworks are the job of enterprise architects. So, napo dito mga enterprise architects ang ginatawag. The business executive ensures EA aligns with business goals. The data analyst manages information flow. And the IT teams implement the EA system. So, as a summary, operational models decide how business functions. EA helps companies choose the best model. And real-world business like Starbucks, Amazon, and Walmart use EA to improve efficiency. So that's it for the fifth topic. Thank you so much for your time, and I will see you on the next lecture video. Bye!